of all queens. Yo, bitches stay in your lane. Fly like a maverick, but you ain't fly, you just plain. No, you ain't fly, you just plain. You lame, stay in your lane. In your lane. Bitch, stay in your lane. In your lane. You ain't fly, you just plain. You plain, stay in your lane. Yo, I'm the queen of all queens. Bow down, I own the throne. I'm shining out cause I reign. I'm sky high, I'm in my zone. Stay thinking out of the frame. So my vision big and they trying to clone, but they can't do it. How I do it, you can't fuck with it. I overdo it, I say bitch, stay in your lane. Because you feeling ready, you get beat-headed and don't think that it's a game. I bring a change like I own the bangers in a competition in the ring. I conquered when I came. Bow down to the queen. All hail my name. Come through, killing shit, running it like you say. I'm the queen of all queens. Yo, bitches stay in your lane. Fly like a maverick, but you ain't fly, you just plain. No, you ain't fly, you just plain. You lame, stay in your lane. Come through, killing shit in your lane, running it like you sing. In your lane. I'm the queen of all queens, in your lane. You ain't fly, you just plain. You lame, stay in your lane. You ain't fly, you just plain. You ain't fly in your lane. You ain't fly, you ain't fly, you just plain. Bitch, stay in your lane. Stay in your lane. Lane. In your lane. You ain't fly, you just plain. You lame, stay in your lane.
I got a dream like Martin Luther King. I could picture me running the whole damn thing. That's why they call me boss, that's why they calling me the queen. If you a lame, better stay in your lane. I do this for my ladies who be flawless on the daily. We all about that work, getting money, saying pay me. I'm rolling on that perk in my mind and out of space. If you a lame, better stay in your lane. If you a lame, better stay in your lane. You a lame, better stay in your lane.
And I bet when I drop it down, I break them. I'm going in for that paper. We stay real and they faker. And I be flawless with no makeup. I'm flawless, meaning gorgeous, and they love it. They applaud it. Remember growing up in these streets, saying never let the struggle defeat me. Yeah, my past the road was rocky, but under the dirt I saw my beauty. And I rock that skirt, but I feel like a king. But I know I'm a queen, and you know what I mean. Still about that green, still rapping my team. Till the death of me, these bitches is lame. They ain't next to me, they ain't next to me. Bitch, get the fuck back, I'm claustrophobic. Get on my space when you see me zoning. By the look in my face, you can tell I own it. I'm focused, killing them, no condolence. They like, that's her, how she gets so flawless. Don't need a nigga just to afford it. I be doing them numbers just like I'm scoring at the ATM at the moment.